Mari kita mulai. And we're gonna start studying about what is on the screen already. And then we'll go to the chart. We'll go to the chart later, okay? Okay, let's talk about the high day. Remember, high day is another word for high day is what?
High Sabbath.
High Sabbath, okay? So here's the text in the Bible showing you about the high day or the high Sabbath. Let's go to John 19 verse 31. John 19 verse 31. John 19 verse 31. John 19 verse 31. Okay. Open your Bible to John 19 verse 31.
Mau tambah? Kelebihan.
Okay, John 19:31. Dino, could you read, Dino? John 19:31. Verse 31. John 19 ayat 31.
The Jews therefore...
Okay, go.
Me?
It's okay.
Oh, it's supposed to be added?
Yeah.
How come you pointed at me? No?
He's passing the buck to you. Okay.
The Jews therefore, because it was the preparation
We got one word, preparation. And then?
that the bodies should not remain upon the cross on the Sabbath day.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you something. A mini quiz. I'm gonna ask a mini quiz. The preparation is on what month and what day? The preparation.
One.
Huh?
First one, 14.
What is it, George?
114.
114. 114 is the preparation day, right? Because it's on a Friday, right?
Yeah.
And is that the Passover?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a Friday. So the preparation is 114. And this is the 114 that matched the first month of the Hebrew calendar, because the next year is different. After 7 years different, and year number 8 it goes back again. And Jesus died exactly the copy of the first month.
Wow.
Exactly the copy of the first month of the first year. So in 114, if Jesus died on the copy of year number 3, could you say 114
No.
is a Friday? No, it doesn't match. Let's go over here. Let's go to your paper now. Let's go to your paper. Tell me, if Jesus died on the copy of year number 3, when is 114? What day? So when you look at this paper, it's like this. Here is the year number 1, the last month, the first month of year number 2, and then continues. The last, and then the third.
Thursday.
Okay, where is it? So on the third, beginning of third, 114 is what day?
Thursday.
Thursday.
It's on a Thursday.
Thursday.
Because the one that I have boxed in is the Shabbat. Okay.
Shabbat.
So let's go to year number 8. Let's go to year number 8. Year number 8. Huh? Wait a minute, I don't have year number 8. Okay.
6.
Friday.
Okay, so if this year number 7, the year number 8, we just go to year number 1 because it's the same thing, right? Look at year number 8 and year number 1. Is it the same?
The same.
The same. Right? Do you see it? Do you see page 4 and page
One.
1 the same thing?
Yes.
That means every 8th year, it's recycled to year number 1. That means Jesus died. The copy of year number 1 or year number 8 or year number 15, or year number 22,
22,
or year number 29,
29.
it continues to cycle. You guys get it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, if Jesus, I'm gonna ask Lenny. See, if Jesus died, the Passover, okay, Friday. If Jesus died on the exact copy of year number 6, what day did Jesus die on? If Jesus died on the exact copy of year number 6, year number 6, year number 6,
End of 6 year.
ya, kalau Tuhan Yesus matinya persis kopi daripada tahun ke-6, hari apa dia mati? Di kayu salib.
6 year. End of 16.
14.
Then Monday, Sunday.
Sabbath.
Sabbath.
When did Jesus die? If he died on the copy of year number 6.
Oh, year. Oh, year number 6.
Yeah. Year number 6, the 14th day, hari apa?
Oh, the holiday.
Remember, the box in is Sabbath. Yang ada boxnya itu hari Sabat semua, Shabbat, 7676. 6, year number 6.
Halaman 3, halaman 3.
No.
Dino, could you show her exactly how to
Go to page 3.
Halaman
look
3.
at the year?
You can read here. Okay, 6 here. Go over here. Go to week. Go to day 14. And that's boxing.
Page 3. Page 3?
Page 3.
Page
Page 3. Kung Yesus mati hari Jumat.
6 here, right? 6 here. Okay,
Yeah,
6
itu.
here. Go here.
Kalau belum tahun
Yeah,
ketiga.
just follow.
Ya,
Set date.
tahun ketiga. Iya.
7. See? This is 7.
What day would Jesus have died if he were to die on the exact copy of the 6th year?
Ini lunar dia.
No, ini yang benar ini. This is the right one. This is not lunar. We don't want to touch that anymore. That's confusing.
Yesus mati kan hari Jumat.
This is the real stuff.
Ya, 13.
Ah,
14 dah.
di mana di sini? Apa?
Hari apa?
Hari apa di sini? Tahun ke-6.
So you remember.
Itu hari Sabat tanggal berapa?
The 8th year, 14.
Jadi 14 hari apa Dan?
Sabat.
Hari Sabat.
So it goes
Matinya
Tuhan Yesus matinya hari Sabat nggak? Atau hari Jumat?
hari Jumat.
Hari Jumat. Artinya Tuhan Yesus nggak mati kopi daripada tahun ke-6, tapi kopi daripada tahun pertama atau 8 atau 15. Itu ada yang belum ngerti ya itu. Karena kita belum jelaskan jelas.
Bukan belum ngerti tapi masih bingung.
Oke. Artinya belum terlalu
Tahun ke-8. Satu
Oke, mari kita lihat. Oke. Oke, let's go at this paper. Mari kita buka 1, 2, 3, 4. Oke. Let's look at the paper and we'll do it from pages 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or we do it like this.
It's a continuation.
We continue like this, okay? Begini. Taruh di meja seperti begini, berurutan. Begini.
First year, second year, third year.
1, 2, 3, 4. Begini. Do it like this. You have the table, so you can do it. Just like Eric, like that. Do it like this. Okay, just do it like this. Jimmy, you have the paper already? Anyway, I should turn this.
Enggak apa-apa.
There we go. Like this. Ini berurutan nih. Okay, the first page, in the middle of the page, it says the end of first year. That's the 12th month.
Oh, ya. Oke, tahun ke-8.
After 12 months, the beginning of second year. That's month number 1, year number 2.
Tuh.
Oh, oke. Gimana Ren? Gimana?
Okay?
Gimana nomor
Ini,
Beginning second.
halaman pertama, the first
Halaman
page.
pertama.
Ya.
The first page is exactly like this.
Ya, ya.
But you have 12, all the way until 12, just like that.
Ya.
This is 7, but you got 12 like that. That's first page. And you can see that on the 15, that's the unleavened bread, right? Is it a Shabbat?
Yes.
Page 1, is 15 Shabbat? 14 is what? Passover. 16 is what?
Unleavened bread.
16. Unleavened and also what?
First
First fruit or wave sheaf, which is the second day of unleavened bread. Okay.
Itu yang the top ya. Yang top. Yang paling atas.
Yeah, paling atas, number 1. And then you go down 12 lines, which is sekarang month number 12.
Ya.
Just like December, like that, right?
Ya.
And then after that you enter year number 2. And year number 2, I'm gonna ask early. Year number 2, hari Sabatnya jatuh hari keberapa?
5. Tanggal 5.
5. Hari Sabat kedua?
12.
Got it right? You guys get it?
Ya.
The first Sabbath, Shabbat is 5 and then 12. And then 19, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm gonna ask Lenny. Lenny, on the last month, men, kenapa ya? Ini kamu gini Red? Kosong-kosong gak ada isinya.
Oh, nggak dia apa abis biru.
Oh, oh birunya
Nomor
mana?
berapa? Nomor
That's
berapa?
why saya empty like
What year?
There are a few of them. There's a few of them. There's more.
Ini ada.
Oh,
Bisa ganti.
halaman 2 ya?
Ini. Habis dia punya.
Oh, pantas birunya nggak ada.
Ini birunya nggak ada. Apa? 3 juga habis ya?
3 dan 4.
3, 2. Kayaknya 4 memang lagi kehabisan. Main ada 3 dan 4.
Oke, oke,
Bersih.
oke.
Ini yang defected ini.
Oke.
Nggak ada yang beratnya kosong nggak?
Oh, pantas kosong juga.
Mana ya? Gimana?
Soalnya warna biru itu.
Apa maksudnya?
Tanggal-tanggal.
Sorry, kehabisan tinta.
Oh.
Harusnya hari biru.
Sabtu. Dan kedua dan juga nggak ada. Ini sama.
Oh iya, pantas ada kosong. Jadi tolong diisi ya, dengan imajinasi sendiri lah.
Kehabisan tinta.
Dengan color sendiri.
Nah, namanya bagus.
Some ran out of ink, that's why it got blank.
Roger, jadi yang page pertama itu biru.
Semua.
Biru.
Enggak. Biru itu yang dia punya first month. First month-nya biru.
Iya,
Ya.
iya betul.
Yang biru itu
Cuma supaya ada
kopi
beda
first month
antara
punya
bulan pertama, tahun
kalender.
pertama.
Jadi yang biru itu, yang missing itu sebenarnya copy daripada first month.
Bulan
The
pertama.
missing part is a copy of the first month, or the same exact repetition. Jimmy, do you have it? Sudah dapat? Okay. Jadi kapan? Kita mau tanya. Kapan? When do you find the first month
What year?
repeated again as a first month?
The 8th.
The eighth
Year.
That means every 7 years it recycles back to year number 1, right?
Right.
And did Jesus die on a high day?
Yeah.
Yes.
And is the high day the first month of the first year? Or the first month of the 8th year?
Yes.
Or the first month of the 15th year?
Same.
Same. That means Jesus picked exactly a high day to die. So actually the first month coming out of Egypt was the exact copy of the calendar that Jesus died on AD 31, right? That was exactly. Was that a coincidence like, oh man, exactly, or did he already plan that in heaven? Yes, already planned that in heaven. Now, when you look over here, do you see that on year number 2, it doesn't fit like this anymore? Do you see that the 14 doesn't match anymore? The 15 doesn't match on year number 2?
Yeah.
It's different, right? And year number 3, is it different? Year number 4, different? When does it come to be the same again?
The 8th.
Number 8. Dan ngerti kan maksudnya itu? Jadi selalu cycle. Always on a cycle. That's the thing. Okay. Now, let's read this one. After this, we're gonna show something really interesting here. Okay. Do you know where you're reading this? Oh yeah, it's supposed to be that video, huh? Okay. Oh. Oh.
Don't worry.
Is that okay or no? Okay. Okay.
Okay, continue.
Yeah, go ahead, yeah.
For that Sabbath day was an high day.
What is it?
Hi day.
An high day. What year was this? John 19:31. What year was that?
First year.
No, what year was that?
Oh, 31.
31 AD. And the year 31 was a copy of
First.
the first year. Right?
Yeah.
That means year 31 is a copy of year number 8,
Yeah.
which is a copy of year number
Number
1.
one.
Right? Because it fell on a high day. Because the high day was right there. That's high day. That means that's on what day? 15. This is 14, this is 15. Okay? So the Jews, therefore, because it was the Passover 114, the body should not remain upon the cross on the unleavened bread 115, because the unleavened bread feast happens to fall on a Sabbath day, and it's called a
High day.
high day. Yeah, that's a high day. High day, just like year number 1. Ngerti kan itu? Besought Pilate that their legs might be broken and that they might be taken away. The preparation, Passover 14, Friday. High day, first out of 7 unleavened bread, 15. 7th day Sabbath and 7th day feast, Holy Convocation. 16, first day of the week, wave C. Ini dia. Jadi dia semua. Okay? Now, I'm gonna show you something different now. This is all done at the cross. Right there, right? That's how it is. This on the top and the one on the, why did I make this? Oh, here's the, on the top is the feast, on the bottom is the creation week, okay?
Okay.
Top is feast, the bottom is creation week.
Okay.
Okay. 8 is Sabbath, right? Which is, 1 is Sabbath also. 8 is Sabbath. 15 Sabbath. Kena 15 Sabbath feast.
Yeah.
Passover, feast, feast, feast. And then this is the Shabbat. Shabbat, 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 Shabbat. And this is the 15 feast, happens to be a high
Sabbath.
day. So I put the feast on the top and the creation week on the bottom. That's called what again?
High
High
day.
day. Just like the 7-10, right? But do you see that in week, year number 2?
No.
3, 4, 5, 6,
No.
7, 8 again.
Yes.
You got that very good, right? Udah dapat itu kan? Udah ngerti konsepnya kan? Siap tahun ke-8 baru dia recycle kan? And it's a cycle of what?
7.
Oh man. Cycle of 7. This is wheel within a wheel. Okay? Now, let's do something interesting. Open your Bible to Colossians. Aduh. Let me write something first. Oh, I gotta write something. The feast. Tadi the feast kan? Here. A feast. Terdiri dari apa? Meat, betul?
Drink.
Drink, one.
Yeah.
And then Holy Convocation.
Holy Convocation.
Yeah.
Number 4, it also has a new moon, right? Because new moon is blowing trumpet, right? It has new moon, right? And do we have a Sabbath also, which is Shabbaton?
Sabaton.
Okay, we're gonna go to Colossians 2, Colossians 2. But I just want you to see this first. I want you to see this first. I want you to see that the feast consists of meat, drink, holy convocation, new moon, and Sabbath. And the Sabbath is 7677, which is Shabbaton, right? Which is in the feast you have it on the first day, on the 15 and 22. Shabbaton, right? Remember that, right? Okay. Let's go to Colossians, okay? And the Sabbath is what? Shabbat or Shabbaton?
Shabbaton.
You guys are good. 7677. New moon is a what? Feast, right?
Yeah.
We already know. Holy convocation is another day of what? Holy day, right? Holy convocation is another holy day. Meat and drink, right? Let's go to Colossians. You want to go to Colossians? Let's go there. Colossians 2:14. Colossians 2:14. This is a powerful text. Colossians 2:14. Everybody there, Nathan? Colossians 2:14, Elmer? Colossians 2 verse 14. This is the text. You know what? It's unbelievable. When somebody is caught red-handed, they always have excuses. If somebody is caught red-handed, they always come up with excuses. Let's take a look at this excuse, okay? Colossians 2, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Early, bisa baca slowly, and I'm gonna cut you off here and there just to explain something. Okay, Colossians 2 verse 14.
Blotting out.
What is blotting out?
Sin.
No. What is blotting out means?
Hapus.
Erase. So if you erase, masih ada lagi nggak?
Yeah.
Artinya blotting out is untuk meniadakan, kan?
Yeah.
Okay, continue on. Blotting out what?
Blotting out the handwriting of ordinances.
Okay, now handwriting. If handwriting, that means you need a hand to write.
Yes.
Do you need a hand to write?
Handwriting. Hapus.
If you are blotting out handwriting, that means should there be a hand that written?
Before that, yeah.
Handwriting artinya ada tangan yang tulis, kan?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm gonna ask you something. What is the difference between the law of God and the law of Moses? The law of God was written by God by fire, while Moses wrote it with his hand. That's the difference. God wrote it in fire. By fire, it was shh. Yes, it does say the finger, but the finger represents the Holy Spirit, remember?
Right.
So God wrote it, and then it was written by fire. But Moses has to write the law of Moses with his handwriting. So, is it the law of God that is blotting out here?
No.
Because it has to be written by hand, and what was written by hand was written by Moses.
Moses.
And Moses never wrote the Ten Commandments, he wrote the law of Moses. Okay, let's continue on. No, pindah. Yeah, they're discussing this. Okay, go, Ellie, go. Can you do it again? Read again.
Okay. Blotting out the handwriting of ordinances that was against.
What is ordinances? Ya, peraturan-peraturan kota. Ordinances adalah peraturan kota. You cannot dig here. You must ask to build. Itu peraturan kota. Artinya ini peraturan-peraturan. Okay? Ordinances. Lalu apa?
That was against us.
Against us, and then?
Which was contrary to us.
And then what does it do?
And took it out of the way.
And?
Nailing it to his cross.
Oh! Something was nailed to the cross, right?
Yeah.
That means this was taken away when Jesus died on the...
Cross.
Now let's find out what was done away with. Ayat 4:15, the 15. What was done away at the cross? Blotted out. 15, Erli.
And having spoiled principalities and powers, he made a show of them openly, triumphing over them in it.
What he's saying is, setan dipermalukan dengan kemenangan Tuhan Yesus di kayu salib. That's what he's saying. Satan was made ashamed by the victory achieved by Christ. It was an open shame for Satan at the cross. And then 16.
Let no man therefore judge
Stop right there. Let no man therefore judge you.
in meat.
What does that mean? Okay. Let no man judge you. What does that mean? Let no man therefore judge you. What does that mean, Elmer? Let no man therefore judge you. That means don't let anybody determine whether you're right or wrong. Right? That's judge you, right? Don't let anybody determine whether you're right and wrong by is there any need of standard to judge somebody?
Yes.
So do I need a standard by which I am to judge somebody? Do I need a standard?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you're wrong. Why? Because I think so. Is that a good standard?
No.
You're wrong. Why? Because there's a law that says you're wrong. So if I judge, I have to judge by a law, right? Now, you cannot judge people by what? Read. Continue read.
In respect of an holiday,
Over. Let's read again. Let no man therefore.
let no man therefore judge you in meat.
Wait, here it is. If don't judge by meat, that means is meat done away with?
Yes.
Meat. Don't let anybody judge you right or wrong because you don't do any meat. What else?
Drink.
Drink. Ini dia. Apa berikut?
Respect of an holiday,
Holy Convocation, holiday.
of the new moon,
Oh, new moon. And then
Sabbath day.
Wah, pengertiannya mana ini?
ini sudah dihapus di kayu salib nah.
Sudah.
What was done away at the cross?
The feast.
The feast. Ini meat, drink, Holy Convocation, holiday, new moon, feast, Sabbath. But let's find out what the Sabbath is. Okay, which Sabbath? I'm going to read to you from Greek. And the word is Greek 4521. G 4521. And this Sabbath in Greek goes like this. Sabbaton. Sabbaton. Sama dengan Hebrew. The Greek word says Sabbaton. What was done away with? The Sabbath feast. Which one? 7:1, 7:15, 7:22. And 7:1, new moon. Holy Convocation, there are 7 of them. Which one are they? 1:15, 1:22, 3:5, 7:1, 7:10, 7:15, 7:22. Nggak perlu lagi. New moon, 7:1. Shabbat, 7:1, 7:15, 7:22. Semua nggak perlu lagi. Nail to the cross. And this is Sabbaton. So was the 7th-day Sabbath nailed to the cross?
No.
Can the 7th-day Sabbath nailed to the cross?
No.
That's what it was. So what Sabbath was done away with?
Shabbaton.
Sabbaton. Here it is. Ini jawabannya. Here's the answer. We don't need this feast. We don't need this new moon, first day of the 7th month. We don't need the Holy Convocation. We don't need this stuff. It was done away with at the cross. Oh, did. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable, beautiful. Okay? Let's continue to read something else. Psalms 81 verse 3. We already went there, but let's read Psalms 81 verse 3. Verse 3. No. Let's read this one first. Mari kita baca ini dulu. Let's read this one first. It says right here. Meat, drink, new moon, Sabbath, holy day. They are all what?
Shadow.
Shadow. What is shadow? Type. Type. Symbol. And what is The shadow, what is it a shadow of? The body of Christ. That's the type, that's the anti-type. So all these feasts done away with? Done away with. Done away with. Okay, I'm going to show you something. This is the Passover right here. This is the Passover. This is Passover. This is the beginning of Pentecost. The Passover is followed by unleavened bread because Jesus died, right? And then his resurrection. That's the wave sea. And then this is the beginning of Pentecost, holy place. And then just before you enter, you have the blowing of trumpet. And then you have what? Day of Atonement. And then when he's out, that's the tabernacle. Or the ingathering. There it is. There it is. Selamat malam.
Bye.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night, good night.
Take care. Sudah. Tapi waktu kuliah terbelah itu kan itu yang membuat upacara.
Nah itu kita mau ini, kamu bikin, kita bikin.
Kenapa masih di
Tunggu dulu, tunggu kita ini yang berikut. Ini bikin. Jangan pikir sini dulu, karena saya baru mau antarkan ke situ, belum di explain. Baik, jangan pikir dulu, karena kita belum explain. Kalau enggak nanti bingung, baik? Oke. Sekarang kita mau gambar gini. Pentecost. Unleavened bread, wave sheaf, first fruit, beginning of Pentecost, blowing of trumpet.
Apa Bibi? Bibi?
Hah? Mana?
Itu Yubi?
Unleavened bread,
Oh,
atonement, and then ingathering or tabernacle.
wait.
Okay, let's pay attention to this one. This is very important.
Itu yang di bawah tabernakel apa?
Ini bayang-bayang yang dilakukan oleh Harun dan imam-imam seterusnya. Ini dibikin. Ini waktu Tuhan Yesus mati di kayu salib dan mulai di surga. This is earthly, this is heavenly. Okay, got it? So every day they did this, right? Every day. Setiap hari mereka bikin ini. Setiap hari bikin ini. Dan ini melambangkan waktu Tuhan Yesus mati di kayu salib di sini. Di mana waktu mati kayu salib nggak perlu lagi ini. Ini melambangkan pekerjaan Tuhan Yesus di sini yang terjadinya di bumi ini. Jadi mereka setiap hari bikin, dan ini yang di bumi, ini Harun. Setiap hari bikin sini, tapi ini melambangkan pekerjaan Tuhan Yesus di bilik yang di surga yang di sini nanti. Walaupun matinya di dunia, tapi di sini matinya. Ini mulai dunia. Artinya mereka bikin setiap hari bikin ini melambangkan pekerjaan Tuhan Yesus yang di sini. Domba-domba darah ini Tuhan Yesus yang di sini. Jadi waktu Tuhan Yesus masuk sini, ini nggak perlu lagi kan?
Enggak.
Dan semua ini namanya apa? Feast. Ini semua feast. Ini siapa? Christ. Dan kapan itu? Ini. Itu bedanya. Jadi waktu ini dibikin, ini melambangkan ini yang terjadinya di sini. Waktu dia ke sini, ini melambangkan Tuhan Yesus naik ke sini. Waktu dia ke sini, ini melambangkan Tuhan Yesus ke sini. Lalu waktu in gathering, melambangkan Tuhan Yesus setelah itu. Jadi ini dibikin semua sampai waktu Tuhan Yesus datang, bak sini, nggak perlu lagi. Dan when Jesus died, that's it, habis. Dan sekarang Tuhan Yesus mati, melambangkan sini, dia harus ke sini kan?
31.
Waktu mereka masuk sini, masih perlu ini nggak? Mana dia? Ini mana tulis? Ini Pentecost maksudnya, ini Passover lagi. Waktu Tuhan Yesus, the real Passover, mati di sini, do you need this?
No.
Waktu Tuhan Yesus bangkit, mati di kayu salib, do you need unleavened bread?
No.
When Jesus resurrected, do you need wave sheaf?
No.
That's Jesus, that's Jesus, that's Jesus. When Jesus went up to heaven, do you need this one?
No.
When he already had this one? Betul kan? Nggak perlu. And then, when there's a blowing trumpet, that's we're gonna find out later. Kapan itu? And then when they went to the most holy place, that's when Jesus moved 1844. Do you need this?
No.
And then in gathering, that's still future. How many more feasts are we waiting for before
One.
Jesus? Just this one. We are so close since 1844. Okay? Nanti kita akan gambar lagi. Kita akan gambar lagi di sini. Kita akan gambar lagi.
Itu atau apa?
Hmm?
Tabernacle atau apa?
Tabernacle, ya. Feast of Tabernacle atau in gathering.
Oh, iya.
Mari kita baca ini. Mari kita baca ini. Kutipan ini.
Itu kalau udah keluar udah stand up ya.
Ya, kalau sudah kelar stand up. Habis itu Feast of in gathering. After Michael stand up, Feast of in gathering. Here it is. But there is a law which was abolished. Ada hukum yang dihapus. Ada. There's a law that was abolished. Ada hukum yang dihapus. Which, ini dia. Christ apa? Took out of the way and nailing it to the cross. Tadi kita baca di Kolose 2, 14, 15, 16 kan? Paul calls it the law of commandment contained in, ini dia ordinance-nya. Ini dia kata ordinance ini. Ini ordinance ini. Ini yang di nail to the cross. This ceremonial law, ordinance is what? Ceremonial law given by God through Moses dengan sacrifice, dengan ordinances was to be binding atau terikat atau bertanggung jawab orang Hebrew until symbol met the real thing in the death of Christ as the Lamb take away the sin of the world. Artinya semua ini perlu sampai habis itu more. Tapi sekarang, apakah kita harus recognize waktu Tuhan Yesus masuk the atonement?
Yeah.
After the cross?
Mm-hmm.
We'll find out how we figure that out. And how do we figure when Jesus entered the most holy place? By the Hebrew calendar. We'll explain that later. Karena explain ini sangat penting sekali sekarang. Karena mereka menjawabkan, kita masih butuhkan karena kita harus tahu waktu dia masuk ke bilik Maha Suci. Akan dijawab nanti, oke? Ngerti nggak masuk ke itu? Kalau kita nggak perlu lagi Hebrew calendar setelah tahun 31 AD, dari mana kita tahu Tuhan Yesus masuk ke bilik Maha Suci? Betul? Masih harus pakai Hebrew calendar nggak? Masih. Jadi yang ditaken out of the law, out of the nail to the cross apa? Kita akan baca terus. Then all the sacrificial offerings, then all the sacrificial offerings and services were to be abolished, ditiadakan, di kayu salib. Paul and the other apostles labored to show this. Mereka bekerja untuk tunjukkan ini karena bertentangan dengan pengajar-pengajar Judais yang bilang mereka harus observe
the ceremonial law.
Guess what? Paul was fighting against these people, and now we're fighting against the people. What are we doing? We're doing the very same thing Paul was fighting. Now we're doing it in 2014. Paul said we don't need it, And this day we're fighting just to say we don't need it. Man,
Repeat.
It's Christ himself declared that he came not to destroy the 10 commandments. So was it the 10 commandments that was destroyed?
No.
This is talking about the 10 commandments cannot be destroyed. There's a picture I want to show you, it's so important. Iya, sudah ada yang bilang. The ritual system was altogether a different character. Jadi hukum Tuhan dibilang nggak bisa dihapus. You cannot do away with the 10 commandments. But the ritual system was different. Typified, melambangkan the death of Christ, a sacrifice broken for the broken precept of the moral law. Jadi ini beda. Ini adalah lambang daripada Tuhan Yesus untuk bekerja di sini. Show you something. This represent everything Jesus did over here. Ini semua melambangkan apa yang Tuhan Yesus bikin di sini. Ini semua terjadi sebelum kayu salib karena kayu salib adalah permulaan Tuhan Yesus bekerja di sini. Guys get it? Semua ceremonial law is pointing to the work of Jesus beginning at the cross here and finish here. Jadi ini semua adalah bayang-bayang sini yang mulainya kayu salib. Artinya kalau kayu salib sudah datang, nggak perlu lagi apa? Bayang-bayang. Dan bayang-bayangnya apa? Meat, drink, Holy Convocation, New Moon, Sabaton. Itu nggak perlu. Karena semuanya Tuhan Yesus itu bicara tentang Tuhan Yesus. Oke, kita baca terus. Let's take a look at this picture. I'm gonna erase this, okay? Saya mau erase ini karena I have to fill in this picture now.
Jangan yang di sebelah situ.
No, yang itu kita akan draw lagi. Yang ini kita akan draw lagi, tapi lebih.
Ada selfies itu.
Gimana? Ini?
Itu saja tuh.
Meat, drink.
No, itu kita bisa isi. Just ask me what it is, I'll tell you what it is.
Just tell me what is it. Oh, you can hold it.
Eli bisa bilang. Eli.
New moon, Shabbaton.
Sabaton.
Meat, drink, Holy Convocation, New Moon, Sabaton.
Holiday, face.
Mereka bilang begini, fondasinya sekarang ini kan kita belajar the fondasi tentang doktrin Ka'bah. Situ kita belajar tentang Yesus yang di seremoni. Kalau kita nggak perlu lagi mengenal ini, ngapain ini di sini kata mereka begitu.
Baik, kalau kita nggak apa?
Kalau lambang yang hanya sebagai seremoni itu sudah dihapus, kita berarti nggak perlu lagi fondasi katanya gitu.
Apa hubungannya itu
Karena
pertanyaan?
maksudnya ini kan kita belajar tentang Ka'bah yang di sini tentang itu yang poin tentang
Ka'bah.
Ka'bah
Ya.
tetap dipelajari. Jadi kita perlu mendengar yang tadi ini karena itu.
Tapi yang tadi itu menunjukkan ini.
Iya.
Dengan kata lain, untuk saya tahu ini bahwa benar digenapi karena ini sudah dilakukan dulu. Jadi apa yang dibikin dulu itu menunjukkan bahwa ini sekarang sedang digenapi di sini. Jadi saya nggak tahu apa maksud pertanyaan. Nggak masuk akal, pokoknya
Nggak masuk
aja
akal.
nggak masuk akal gitu aja.
Sekali udah reject.
Udah reject, udah bilang aja kalau udah reject ya udah reject aja, nggak usah setengah-setengah. 100% aja bilang saya bukan Advent sekaligus itu dibilang. Kalau enggak repot. Health reform tolak, udah that's good enough.
Third angel message.
Udah tolak 300 message, nggak perlu peduli apa yang lain, kamu udah tolak. Oke, kita akan gambar gini. Ini yang kita gambar di situ. Dan ini adalah kayu salib.
Lihat di situ. Yang besar itu. The same thing. In the password.
Sama. So, this yang setiap hari mereka bikin. This is what they did every day. Ini kan setiap hari mereka bikin ini. Melambangkan ini. Semua yang terjadi di sini melambangkan pekerjaan Tuhan Yesus yang dia bikin di sini. Okay? Everything they did over here represent the work of Christ done here. This is
Starting.
earthly, this is heavenly. Nah, ngerti kan itu? So when Christ, and the beginning of this is the cross. So when the cross came, you don't need this anymore. Because the real thing has begun what they have been doing right here, right here. Jadi waktu Tuhan Yesus datang, yang mereka bikin di sini sedang terjadi di sini. Ngerti kan? Jadi waktu Tuhan Yesus datang, when Jesus came, yang mereka bikin setiap hari di sini sedang digenapi di sini. Jadi untuk apa ini kalau yang ini sudah digenapi? Dan berikut sekarang Passover, dia tunjuk Passover is showing what is going to happen. Unleavened bread is showing what is going to happen after this. Betul? And then wave sheaf is showing what is going to happen when they go over here. Pentecost is showing when Jesus moved from here to here. Ini dia. Ini Pentecost. So when they from here to here.
From the earthly to the
And then blowing trumpet, when they blow trumpet, is showing that Jesus is about to enter from here to here. It's moving from here to here. That's what it's showing. So what is the real thing? This is the real thing. This is just preparing you for this. You don't need this.
No.
But Jesus did it for them to prepare for this. But you don't need this.
Anymore. No.
But you won't understand this unless you have this. But in reality, you don't need this.
No, because it does
because you
nothing.
don't need a lamb.
It does nothing.
But who is the lamb? Ngerti kan? So where are you saved? By here or here?
The second.
Here. But the plan of salvation carried out by Jesus here was already illustrated here. Okay, so I'm gonna go this one out. I'm gonna go down and you're gonna see something. Here. Ini sudah diganti menjadi Lord's Supper. Ini bedanya ceremonial law atau feast. Ini sekarang di zamannya ini nggak ada ini lagi, satu. The Lord's Supper. I'll show you a text later. You don't need this. Tapi Tuhan Passover kan? Jadi Passover diganti menjadi the Lord's Supper. The only is the Lord's Supper. That's the only thing we keep after the cross. The Lord's Supper. Okay? Now, okay ya. Mau tahu? Kalau di sini apa? Ordinances, meat and drink, holy days, annual Sabbath feast, new moon. Okay. Ini semua nailed to the cross right here. So everything here they did of here until it was nailed to the cross. Ini semua dibikin sampai ini datang nggak perlu lagi. Tapi Tuhan Yesus punya kematian harus commemorated after the cross. And okay, jalan ya. So the death of Christ were to be commemorated after cross, Lord's Supper. Now, the Lord's Supper, washing feet, eating bread, drinking grape juice, pointed back tabernacle, second coming. Basically, what we do is pointing here. This is supper. Now, let's continue on. Passover. This is Desire of Ages, page 75. India. The time of the Passover corresponded to the close of March or the beginning of April. That's what? Here. That's spring Passover. But that's the feast type. What is the feast antitype for the Passover? What is the antitype? the death in the grave. The wave sheaf, that's the resurrection. It's on this side. First fruit Pentecost, Jesus brought the first fruit. Blowing trumpet, undetermined. It's just showing that that's preparing for the Day of Atonement. Because I cannot find the text on that one. Day of Atonement, and the ingathering, the second coming, no time prophecy. I'm going to show you something important. This is right here is no feast, right? No feast. But semua ini, this one, and this is pointing this one, right? Itu kan? You cannot calculate anymore.
1844.
1844. Is it right here? But once you enter here, do you celebrate the feast?
No.
But up to 1844. Because that's it. You still need the calendar because you need to calculate. But itu dia. Karena selalu dibilang, you still need the calendar because you need to be able to calculate 1844. That's right.
But after
But
1844.
calendar,
No.
zero. Because after 1844,
No more
no
time.
more time prophecy. It ends in 1844. And their argument is, how yes, you do need it, that you don't need the feast. But after 1844,
No.
we need nothing.
Sampai sekarang masih banyak orang yang celebrate the feast.
Banyak.
Aja.
Tapi menghina besar loh ya.
Satu penghinaan. Bilang batu. Okay, I'm gonna show this one. Huh? What happened in AD 31? You wanna write something? Second coming, is there any time prophecy?
No.
Why? Because it's after
44. No more.
Means there's no more time prophecy. Jadi semua ini sudah habis. Cross sudah, done. Blowing trumpet. Blowing trumpet is about 1833, 1834. Is
License.
credential to teach. That's the 10 years. 1 day equals 1 year before the Day of Atonement. So, but I have no evidence, so I'm just going to prepare people to enter the most holy place without knowing. That's blowing the trumpet. But because I don't have anything significant, I just put in atonement.
Sure.
Day of Atonement, 1844. After that, no more time prophecy. So we're living from when his Day of Atonement is done, we enter the ingathering. Done. And when does peace done? Beginning 9/11 it begins.
Begin.
When the Twin Tower fall, is preparing for the ingathering. And how many stages of preparation? 2 inreach. Once the inreach is done, he does the outreach and then prepare for the ingathering. Are we still following Jesus
Yes.
in the holy place?
Most holy.
In the most holy place?
Yeah. 44,000.
But if you still do this stuff, what direction are you following Jesus?
Going back.
You're going backward. When you mau maju. Unbelievable. Oke, kita terus lagi. What happened in AD 31? Apa yang terjadi? AD 31. Ini dia. In the midst of the week, he shall cause the sacrifice and the oblation of years after baptism. Lord was crucified with the great sacrifice offer upon the Calvary. 4,000 years had pointed forth to the Lamb of God, tithe, met, and the tithe. And all the sacrifice to their cease. What else do you want to do?
Done.
Done. Ngapain mau mundur-mundur lagi? It's done.
That means they rejected.
Right? Passover.
Yeah.
Hey, some still do it. I don't
That
know
means they
what-
have to kill the lamb and
Yeah, that means they reject Jesus. What happened in 1844? Never again be a test. That's why the ingathering you have no idea when. So you don't do the feast since 1831, and you don't do the time since 1840 ingathering. The atonement is preparing for the ingathering. That's the one. Okay. Now let's read the Lord's Supper. This is a beautiful one. Is it too small for you guys? 492. Let's do the Passover. Hey. No, let's do the Lord's Supper. Paano ba? How the Lord's Supper? Here. No, we did that already. Here, let's read the Last Supper. This is a powerful quotation, the Lord's Supper. The Passover pointed backward. Passover, Egypt, kan? 114, right?
Yeah.
114, 0001, right? Oh, for the Hebrew calendar. Passover pointed backward to the deliverance of children of Israel and was the Lamb of God, slain for redemption of all men. The blood sprinkled upon the doorpost prefigured the atoning blood of Christ and also the continual dependence of sinful man upon final redemption. Christ ate the Passover supper with his disciples just before his crucifixion. And the saints of the
Lord's Supper.
in observance of his death to replace Passover. So if we are to do anything, do we do any other thing? Only the Lord's Supper we do. Because God himself, Jesus himself, instituted that before the death on the cross. Why did he do it before the death of the cross? Why not? Why did he institute the Lord's Supper before the cross, not after the cross? So his blood to sign, ratify. The blood needed to ratify the agreement. So that's why that was the only thing he changed. That's the only thing that he carried. That's all.
That's all.
That's all we do. Woo. Ini new moon nggak tahu dari mana ini semua. You think? While the institution of the Passover was pointing backward to the miraculous death of the Son of God before it transpired. In the last Passover our Lord observed with the disciples, he instituted the Lord's Supper in memory of his death. No longer had they need of the Passover because he, the great antitypical lamb, had antitype in the death of Christ. No need. It's done. Habis. They have to reject me as well. Apakah New Moon salah satu tergabung di Shabbaton, semua, meet and drink, done away at the cross. Ngapain mau ungkit-ungkit New Moon kalau udah nggak perlu lagi? Unbelievable. Christ ate the Passover supper with his disciples just before the crucifixion. The same night instituted the ordinance of the Lord's Supper to be observed. Passover had been observed to commemorate the deliverance of children of Israel of Egypt, but in its place he now left an ordinance to commemorate the events of his crucifixion, the Lord's Supper. Over dari sini ke sini. Ini feast, ini apa? Lord's Supper. That Lord's Supper points to what?
Both Vegas.
This and second in gathering. November 4, Evening Herald, 1902. And the administration of the sacramental services, Christ has been set forth among us. The Lord's Supper was ordained by Christ shortly before his death. And the ceremony of feet washing was instituted. Supper harus apa? Foot washing. Sebelum Lord's Supper, dia kasih foot washing. As we celebrate the ordinances, we are to remember that Christ is present, making the occasion one. The disciples to be celebrated. How long? Till Christ should come. That's what we do now. That's what we do now. So it points back to the cross. That's what it represents. The symbols of the Lord's house are simply and plainly understood, and the truth represented by them are of deepest significance to us. In instituting the sacramental service to take place, sacrifice says, "Do this in remembrance of me." This was the point of transition between two economies and two great festivals. Dan Sapa Nabi. Oh wow. too close
Forever.
Forever artinya apa?
Forever.
Jangan ungkit-ungkit lagi. Too close forever. No man can open. What get open? No man can shut. God closed, people try to what?
Open.
Man. Is that Philadelphia?
No.
Yes.
Of-
If you try to open something that is very close, can you be Philadelphia?
No.
Oh. Nggak bisa jadi 114.000.
Ito.
The other continue through all time as the memorial of his death. That's the Lord's Supper. Banyak kutipannya. Was given to commemorate the great deliverance out of as a result of the death of Christ. Till he should come the
Second
second
time.
time, we are to celebrate the ordinance of the Lord. The last Passover, Lord observed, he instituted the Lord's Supper in the place of last Passover to observe in memory of his death. The national festival of the Jews was to pass established. The Lord's Supper was to be observed by his followers in all lands and through all ages. Cuma itu. That's the only thing that we carry over to. I like this one. The salvation of man depends upon a continual application to their hearts of the cleansing blood of Christ. Continue, right? Therefore, the Lord's Supper was yearly, but more frequently than the annual
Passover.
Karena lebih sering, lebih diingatkan. Apa salahnya? Nggak ada salahnya. Ya nggak dibikin setiap hari, tapi seringlah. Deliverance of the children of Israel. That deliverance was typical of the great atonement which Christ made by the sacrifice of his own life for the deliverance of his people. Second coming. Cuma itu. Well, I close with this one. What is it?
Work out your own thing.
Once you know this, go ahead and work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. We gotta worry about. Make sure we do the Lord's Supper to commemorate his blood on the cross. What message prepares you for that? Justification by faith. That's it. Justification by faith. Itu pekabarannya yang mempersiapkan kita untuk the last one. Okay. Jadi minggu depan, minggu depan ke Indonesia mereka mesti dapat satu lunar lagi. It's called the weekly cycle. They don't like the word weekly cycle, and yet it's biblical, the weekly cycle. Jadi membuktikan bahwa hari keberapa persis dan apa yang menentukannya. Jadi itu minggu depan. Yang hari Jumat malam, the one I will present to Indonesia, that's gonna be the one. But that's only the beginning of our lunar Sabbath study. Okay. Work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. Okay, ada pertanyaan? Sejauh ini masih ingat semua? Jadi kesimpulannya apa? What is your conclusion after studying this? What? It's done.
Done away.
How do you commemorate what Jesus had done in the past, and how do you point forward to his coming? The Lord's Supper, that's the only thing we do. That's the only thing we do. Now, I'm going to ask you something. Well, how do you figure out 1844? How do you answer that? How do you figure out 1844 if you have done away with it? What was done away at the cross?
The
feast,
ceremony.
the feast.
Feast.
But
Yeah.
For what purpose only?
figure
To figure out 1844. But you are not to live by that calendar, right?
No.
But you are to know the calendar just to figure out 1844.
Day of Atonement.
And then after 18, the calendar. As long as the calendar does not break the cycle of
Seven.
1 through 7.
So William Miller actually used this, studied this
Ini
piece
yang
to
John Snow.
figure out
And that,
October 27.
yeah. I haven't really studied how did he figure it out exactly, but whatever it is, you can still use the Hebrew calendar, because the Hebrew calendar will tell you when Jesus is 1844 based on the Hebrew calendar. But after that, you don't need it anymore. Because I always get the people saying, well, if you don't need it, how do you figure out 1844? And the answer only to determine 1844. Once you determine, you don't need it anymore because there's no more time prophecy after that. So all their questions have been faithfully and
The
yeah,
Protestant, they
yeah.
the lunar says.
When I asked the lunar said it was Shabbat, nailed to the cross.
Sabat yung lunar. Berarti nggak percaya sabat lagi.
When I asked, lunar says, what was nailed to the cross? That was new moon. No. You know what? As a matter of fact, it was the 7-day Sabbath that was nailed. I said, what? Are you serious? It was done away at the cross. Why? Because they want to protect their lunar so bad, they have to do away the 10 Commandments.
Waduh.
That was the answer.
Ngeri.
Mana ininya? Putusin. Oh.
Lantar kebakar, Pak.
Panas.
Bakar.
Itu aja, itu udah sampai situ. Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Yep. So I was saying, wait a minute. What was done away here? Sabbath. What Sabbath? I said, it's the Sabbath feast. The Sabbath feast. No. You know. I said this is the end of days already.
Itu udah.
This is
Berarti nggak
apostasy.
mengerti antara sahabat Kris dan sahabat
Nggak
Tuhan.
ngerti.
Iya kan, dia punya nanti karena nggak tahu aja.
Masa ya.
Makanya.
Padahal di sini
yang
bilang apa?
sabat feast.
Sabaton. Dibilangnya Sabaton. Itu Sabaton.
Sudah betul-betul confused.
Sudah. Karena mau mempertahankan lunar Sabbath, harus buang 7-day Sabbath.
Perasaan sahabat adalah
Ya, jadi ya. That is some scary stuff.
And ABC, they think they want to change times and law.
Yeah.
And lunar Sabbath, they did change the.
Because it really is not true.
They think
They think to change.
the spirit of faith.
See, the thing is, Satan wants people to eventually worship them on Sunday. He'll get you to Sunday. I gotcha. To the point they said it doesn't matter as
Doesn't
long as it's
You
on the
worship.
Sabbath day. Sunday doesn't matter. See, the thing is, you're breaking God's law.
namanya.
You break God's law big time. Sudah sangat kurang here so far. Next week, Friday, I'll present the weekly cycle. It's only about 70-80 slides for Indonesia. Weekly cycle is powerful too. Powerful meaning it's so grounded to the truth. It's not floating on clouds. It's so powerful. So text by text will prove that lunar Sabbath has a big hole again. It's nothing sustaining lunar Sabbath. Zero. Simpan baik-baik ini, soalnya ini mantap sekali nih. Mantap. Dan ini bisa lihat semua nih. So, oke, jadi ada pertanyaan? Any question? No, nothing to think of. So far ya. Jimmy, gimana Jimmy? Ada pertanyaan? Ya, David sudah pulang ya? Ya? Boleh lah dia ikutin. Ini tiba-tiba masuk lunar Sabbath, langsung bingung-bingung kayak. Iya. Iya ya. Kenapa kita belajar ini? Ini. Sih kalau orang nggak tahu tentang lunar Sabbath. Oh halo.
I got a question for you.
Yeah. You know what? I cannot see you. Where are you? There you are.
Yeah, here I go. I got a question for you.
Sure.
So basically, I call it Sabbath and Sabbaton
Yeah. Yeah.
is Sabbath is over, right?
I missed that one. Shabbat and Shabbaton is what again?
Sabbaton is gone.
Okay, the Sabbaton is the feast days. The Shabbat is the
But we worship, right?
Yeah, we worship
I have
on the Shabbat. But the Shabbaton, they are
It's gone.
the Hebrew feast. The Hebrew feast which was done away at the cross. That's the Colossians 2:17 saying they were named. Colossians is Sabbaton. Because they are only a shadow of things to come. But the 7-day Sabbath, the Shabbat, That was established in Eden. That was never to be done away with. That's why you have to differentiate between the Sabbath and Shabbaton in the way with the Sabbath days. I mean the Sabbath day. Yeah. Have you heard about the lunar Sabbath?
What?
Have you heard about the lunar Sabbath doctrine?
Yeah, I Adventist, but I think I heard about it a long time ago.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm so thankful I studied today.
Oh, okay, yeah.